What's up, guys, and welcome back to our channel. Today we're having Dominos. Yeah. Alright, so if you guys remember our past video of eating pizza.
Yeah, Pizza Hut challenge.
Yeah, Pizza Hut challenge.
I don't know.
That I failed, and I told her that give me a month or so that I will try it again and I will beat it. Yeah, we'll play the clip.
Just remember what? A month from now, I'll be able to finish it. You wanna bet on that? A month from today, we're gonna do another pizza video, and I'll finish the pizza.
Yeah, so, yeah. I'm gonna try to do it again. This time we got Domino's. Over here we have some chicken.
Yeah. Some specialty buffalo chicken and specialty like pineapple. Jalapenos.
Yeah.
And then my pizza is pepperoni and some, what's it?
Banana peppers.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And a cheese pizza.
Yeah, so wish me luck, because I don't want to lose this bet.
I think you're gonna lose. That's a lot of
yeah,
pizza.
so alright, here we go. Oh man.
I want to start with this right here. I'll try this.
This is a large pizza too. We haven't done Domino's, huh?
That's not bad.
I feel hungry, so we'll see how it goes after half.
Try the pineapple specialty chicken and jalapenos.
How's it?
It's not bad. It's kind of weird. Like, you wouldn't think pineapple and jalapenos and chicken goes like that. I actually like it.
We're missing out on pizza. Domino's. That's pretty good. Should try it.
I can't try that. You gotta finish that yourself. Yeah. Why are you trying to cheat?
She got me. Try to cheat. I have to finish this.
Huh? What are you talking about?
Your ranch?
You always eat it with ranch.
Yeah. Might make me full, don't you think so?
Mm-hmm. And try the cheesy stuffed garlic bread. Oh no, I cooled down too much already. That's good. Want some?
Later. After this anymore.
It's pretty good. The stuffed, cheesy, stuffed garlic bread.
Looks good. I feel pretty good right now. After 3. I think when the wall hits, that's it. Food wall. Like right now.
I told you.
I could do it. How about you?
Me, no.
I like the flavor on the crust.
Yeah.
Oh, I know. I think I need a soda to burp it out. You know what I mean?
If you say so. You want me to save you a little bit?
We can eat it. So, you can eat it. I don't know how people could eat so much food. It's crazy.
Are you getting full?
Uh-huh. Thank you.
I think I win. I think I win.
Not over yet.
Okay, we'll see.
Until
We'll see about after that.
I know. My jaw's like getting hurt. Jaw workout.
Trying to make excuses.
I'm not even saying doing jaw workout. When you see other people eat fast and a lot, you're like, oh, I could do that too. You know what I mean? But when you try it, it's just,
You should try those. Since you tapped out already.
It already failed. God dang it. I don't know why. Why? I could do more than 4? I don't think so.
I won?
What do you win?
I don't know yet. Anything I want, obviously, but I don't know what yet.
No. I can't do it. I don't know why.
Are you sad?
I'm sad. It was good though. It hit all the taste buds. I tried. At least I tried. Alright, so I lost. I couldn't finish a large pizza.
1 month later.
It's the same. They ate 4 slices. The same thing. I don't know. But it was good. It was fun. It's the end of the video. Thanks for watching, and we hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, click on the bell down here. Right? And we'll see you in the next one. Peace.